Welcome to the exciting world of marketing. I'm Jason from Cross Industry Insight, and in this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of this dynamic field and why it's so important for organizations. So, let's dive right in. Marketing is a multifaceted field that involves the promotion and selling of products or services. At its heart, marketing is about satisfying the needs and wants of consumers. It encompasses a wide array of activities, including research, product development, distribution, communication, and customer service. Marketing research is the process of gathering, analyzing, and interpreting information about a market, about a product or service to be offered for sale in that market, and about the past, present, and potential customers for the product or service, and it's all about understanding your audience and discovering what makes them tick. It starts with thorough research, where marketers gather valuable insights into customer behavior, needs, and preferences. Armed with these insights, marketers develop compelling advertising strategies to captivate their target audience. It is a key component of marketing, involving the use of paid media to communicate a message about a product, service, or organization. It uses various media channels such as TV, radio, print, online, and social media to reach a target audience. Whether it's through eye-catching visuals, persuasive copywriting, or engaging videos, they craft messages that resonate with consumers. The main goal of advertising is to influence consumer behavior, increase brand awareness, and generate sales. But marketing doesn't stop at advertising. It also involves the selling of products and services. Selling is the process of making a product or service available for users or consumers in exchange for money or other significant benefits. It involves direct interaction with the customers either in person or through various sales channels. Marketers use their expertise to create strategies that help convince customers to make a purchase by highlighting the value and benefits their offerings bring. A good sales strategy aims at understanding the needs of the customers and providing a solution that not only meets their requirements, but also creates a positive customer experience. Creating value for customers is another crucial aspect of marketing, and is a fundamental concept in marketing. It involves delivering goods or services that exceed the expectations of the customers. Marketers craft customer value propositions, which showcase how their products or services solve problems and meet customers' needs better than any other options in the market. This value could be in terms of quality, price, convenience, customer service, or even brand reputation. The aim is to build a strong relationship with the customer, fostering loyalty, and encouraging repeat business. Great marketing goes beyond just making sales. It's about building long-lasting relationships with customers to ensure their satisfaction and loyalty. Marketers excel at managing these relationships, ensuring that customers feel valued and appreciated, leading to loyalty and repeat business. This is accomplished by understanding customer needs, delivering quality products or services, providing excellent customer service, and offering value-added services. Relationship management also includes handling customer complaints and feedback in a positive and constructive manner. Now that we understand the different facets of marketing, let's explore why it's so powerful for organizations. The power of marketing is evident in its ability to shape consumer perceptions, influence their purchase decisions, and drive business growth. It creates brand awareness, generates leads, nurtures customer relationships, and ultimately drives revenue. A well-executed marketing campaign can increase brand awareness, boost customer loyalty, drive sales, and ultimately supercharge profits. An effective marketing strategy can differentiate a product or service in a crowded marketplace, making it stand out and attract the target audience. Becoming a marketer requires a mix of creativity, analytical skills, an understanding of consumer behavior, and knowledge of market trends. It also requires knowledge of various marketing tools and techniques, such as SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, and email marketing. If you're intrigued by the world of marketing and want to pursue a career in this field, here are a few tips to get you started. Firstly, immerse yourself in marketing knowledge. Learning and growth is an important aspect of being a marketer. The marketing landscape is constantly evolving, and to stay relevant, marketers need to continually learn and adapt. There are countless online courses, tutorials, books, and guides available that can teach you the fundamentals and advanced strategies and includes keeping up with the latest marketing trends, technologies, and strategies, as well as improving your skills through professional development and training. But theory alone won't make you a great marketer. Practical experience in marketing can provide valuable insights that cannot be obtained from books or classrooms alone. This experience can be gained through internships, part-time jobs, or even volunteering. Therefore, it's crucial to gain hands-on experience by working on real-world projects. This will allow you to apply what you've learned and refine your skills. Remember, the marketing landscape is constantly evolving. Staying updated is crucial in the fast-paced world of marketing. With new technologies, strategies, and consumer trends emerging all the time, marketers need to stay knowledgeable of the latest developments. This involves continuous learning, attending industry events, following influential people in the industry, and staying connected with industry news and updates. To stay ahead of the curve, make sure to stay updated with the latest trends, attend workshops and conferences that focus on emerging marketing strategies. Successful marketers understand the importance of continuous improvement. Learn from feedback and past mistakes, and always strive to hone your skills. Continuous improvement is a key to success in marketing. It involves constantly evaluating and refining marketing strategies based on feedback and results. This could mean tweaking a social media campaign, redesigning a website, or even rethinking your strategy. This dedication will make you an invaluable asset in the marketing world. In conclusion, marketing is a multifaceted process that revolves around understanding your audience, creating value, and building strong customer relationships. By mastering these skills, you can help organizations thrive in today's competitive business landscape. Thank you for tuning into Cross-Industry Insight and joining us on this exciting journey through the world of marketing. Remember, with the right knowledge, skills, and passion, you can make a significant impact in this field. So, what are you waiting for? Start your marketing adventure today.